Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add Easypaisa to your WooCommerce WordPress store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account if you have not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with integrating Easypaisa to our WooCommerce store. As you can see right here at the left side screen, the dashboard, we have your WooCommerce section, which if you open up you can get started starting a new store in WooCommerce if you have not already, and if you have already created your store you'll be able to access it from here and all the settings and options that you have regarding the store. But what we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen, the plugins section. You want to click on plugins. After opening up plugins guys, you can find all the plugins options you have right here in the plugins marketplace, and what we want to use guys is use the search bar right here, and you want to search for Easypaisa. So after searching for this guys, it's going to give you a list of all the plugins that you can use related to that search term, and we are going to be using this one guys. This is going to enable you to integrate Easypaisa payment services into your website, so you can install it using the option right here, install it and add it to your store, and using this plugin right here is going to enable you to integrate those payments into your store successfully, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.